Man, with their gang. Yeah, man. Yeah. With one Dunce man himself, Jamal, with a new project, rated D for Dunce. So I jump right now, right now. Cause we now all up the vibes. Don't gang. Everything good. Chat at work. Everything plug in, not no plug out. Let me see if we chat upon the right thing, dog. We're going for the chat. We're going for the chat. Hold on the gang. We'll make sure so everything are going, you know. So we can see, alright, we're not good at now. Alright, yeah man, we're there. We're back in full effect. Back in full effect. Alright, we're not gonna see on the chats, super chats, all that good stuff is live. Let's get it, gang. Yeah man, we're there with Jamal, one Dunce man. You see me, new project, rated D for Dunce. So I jump right now, project right now, and I will vibe much longer. I big way I kick it off with the first track on the album. You see me, gang, wake up, man. Wake up, man. Yeah, man, I get vibes right now, man. You see me, I say, Jamal, one Dunce, man. You see me, the first track on the album, the one I name, All Eyes on Dunce, AOD. Come in, man. And disrespectful to the ads, you know, what they depend. YouTube, nobody with it. Come in.
One Dunce man, that good man, you feel.
Lord.
You know, me have to say 40 words, got 39 good. All eyes on the Dunce, while we are crying for the funds. Look what life could become as me try something done, this song a night.
Hold on. So you gotta kick it off. Hold on, no man. Jamal, come in, no man. Yeah, man, one Dunce, man. Come in. We'll come in. Ready, come in.
One Dunce man, that
One Knox, my producer.
you know, me have to say 40 words, got 39 good.
Now if you said 40 or 39 good, no man. Talk to them, no me G.
All eyes on the Dunce, while we are crying for the funds. Look what life could become as me try something done, this song a nice up the ground. Remember when you never liked see the Dunce? Now your friend never try for the Dunce. A whole night to the
Remember you never like see the Dunce, you know. Now your friend never try see the come in. Talk to them, Jamal.
ground. Remember when you never liked see the Dunce? Now your friend them a try for the Dunce. A whole night to the gun, and me now put it down, I'm more life for the dogs. Back up.
Hey, whole night with it, you know, now put it down and more life for the thugs them, you know. Dan Mafia, big up on the damn self. Come
Dunce. A whole night to the gun, and me now put it down, I'm more life for the dogs. Back and pop every night in the club. She have a wine with me love. When she lick the pint of the body, me a cup get so much of them style them love.
Ooh, like when I kick it off. This is a vibe. Yeah man, you kick it off right. Come on.
To the gun, and me now put it down, I'm more life for the dogs. Back and pop every night in the club. She have a wine with me love. When she lick the pint of the body, me a cup get so much of them style them love. Though she bad, me have to cuss a bad word.
Talk to no.
She ain't need her drugs. The Molly make she lose herself. Plus my diamonds are free, she can't feel her pulse. Never underestimate the Dunce. Them surprised we can accumulate these funds. Just
Mafia, talk to them no man. Talk, you know the one that rated D for Dan Mafia. You see me and say big up on the damn self. You see me and say hey.
she can't feel her pulse. Never underestimate the Dunce. Them surprised we can accumulate these funds. Just chop a milk, I'm in a deal with.
Never underestimate the Dunce, you know. Them surprise, you know. Them are gonna surprise me Dan when we take it to them are gonna surprise. Hey, come on.
The Dunce. Them surprised we can accumulate these funds. Just chop a milk, I'm in a deal with petty chums. Butterfly like cricket in a cricket runs. Anyway you sit.
Oh God, I gotta take my time, man. My bad, gang. You see me and say, hey, yo, come on.
Petty chums. Butterfly like cricket in a cricket runs. Anyway you see the Dunce, then you see guns. Remember Mr. Black Long from flanker to Gulf side, chop a line till the cash come. Rich badness, the AR a custom. Me full of cash. Jumping on my Benz, jumping on my WhatsApp. Girl I
man. You see, if I saw the entire album stay, gang, we in for a treat, you know. That kick it off, wicked, you know.
Me no reply, Mr. Reply to what member man rich forever and Dunce like but big up me you take girl me like bolt 90 what it talks them a skull
Man say rich forever and Dunce like but Jamal, yeah.
class just to fly like pilot. Enough go to school high and left without grades and Google the test like said them learn a lot. That's why me accept me flaws and bill me spit flaws.
And that's facts. Enough go to school high. You see me and say when you say you have bad grades and Google the test and go and like say they learn a lot. True. That's why you can't judge people, you know. You see me and say enough of these people are going at them bright. I lie them and tell them us, you know, see me and cheat. Hey, come on, talk.
You take girl me like bolt 90 what it talks them a school class just to fly like pilot. Enough go to school high and left without grades and Google the test like said them learn a lot. That's why me accept me flaws and bill me spit large. 13 cars to a 13 garage. No
Man say me accept my flaws and bill me split large 13. Wait, man say 13 room with 13.
and Google the test like said them learn a lot. That's why me accept me flaws and bill me spit large. 13 cars to a 13 garage. No risk, no reward. Ready if you take a charge. Tell that to the
13 cars and 13 garage, man, for them, brother. I'm telling you, no risk, no reward out here, brother. That's facts. You gotta take a chance out here, no matter what it is now. Take a chance for your dream, you know. Don't follow some other people because they fail on theirs, you see me? Yeah, man, people aren't gonna... Hey, come on, talk to them, Jamal, come on.
the Sarge, Pablo Escobar. Man making the moves and raising the bar. Sky is the limit, me shoot to the stars. My aim is so high, my eyes can see far. Designer boot, bloody shoes, panitar.
My aim is so high, my eyes see so far. Talk to them, you see me? Some people can't see as far as their eye can reach and can reach, you know. As far as they can see in front of them, they can't see past that, you know. Talk to them, man.
All lies and the Dunce.
Yeah, vision.
While we are grind for the funds. Look what life could become as me try something done. Me sang a nice up the ground. Remember when you never liked the Dunce. Now your friend them a try for the Dunce. A whole night with the gun and me now put it down. I'm more life for the talks. Back up pop every night in the club.
Yes. I have to live life. I want to know. Don't watch some people, man. Come in.
Style them love. Me so she bad me have to cuss a bad
Bad
boy.
word. Come in now, man. Come in now, man. Have to. She too bad. Come in now, man. She
All lies and the Dunce.
right, you cuss about. Come in.
While we are grind for the fun. Look what life could become as me try something done. Me sang a nice up the ground. Remember when they never liked the Dunce. Now your friend them a try for the Dunce. I'm now put it down. I'm more.
When never likes the Dunce, you know. No, your friend them a try for the Dunce. Don't matter go over your head. Kind of man, I mean Dunce the curry. Man, I said, remember one time I never liked to see him. Everybody I try to use him style. That's what the man is basically saying now.
Life for the dogs.
People trying to be like him. You see me? And they never used to like him. You see me? I say, big up yourself, Jamal. You see me? Man say, I accept my flaws and build my split large. Don't watch people, bro. You gotta be yourself. You see me? I say, yeah, man. The man knows say, yeah, him not. He not bright in a certain way, but him bright and a smart youth, you know, as much as we insane Dunce. You see me? I say, Sykes, him man I use palm people. But anyway, gang, yeah, man, Jamal. Rated. You kick it off. The right way. And the funny enough, you know, the song we kick it off, AEOD, which is all eyes on Dunce. Everybody got eyes on him now, for real. He really got people attention now. You see what I say? Which he should have been hard, because I feel him style everybody wrong, you know. He was my first man run over with the Dunce. You see what I say? And we catch that from the go. When the dog come out and say, yo, the dog a bad, you know, dog have a bad style, you know, a bad saying. And you see, we see other people just gravitate to the dog style and run with it and them get the shine and and I say, oh, go on for Jamal, No, they come bust what they think they what tune game the look in what they are. We just gone, man. We reacted to it, man. A dog up on here and all type of sitting and re. But yeah, man. Dog finally get in lucky and all eyes upon him. So he kick it off for the right tune. You see me I say? All eyes on Dunce. All eyes on the Dunce. You see me I say? Let's live on Mars. How your life going so late, man? Yeah. Yeah, man, me should have been live, don't it? Yeah, man, I get better at that, gang. I said it for 8 o'clock. I should have been here at 8 o'clock. You see what I said? But we going live every day. Well, not every day. Almost every day at 8. You see me? So look out for that shit. You see me? I say, gang. You see me? Yeah, we're going live and we're going to have vibes. You see me? Most of the time we're going to be reacting to music, you know? You see me? I say, albums. You see me? I say, sometimes we're going to be talking about what's going on in the media and what's going on. Sometimes I'm going to be killing. Yo, man, I want to do a marathon too. Now, let me know if y'all want a marathon. My birthday in January. I want to on the 30th. I want to do a 30-day marathon where I go live every day for you, gang. For y'all. Let me know if y'all want to. Let me know if y'all want that in the chat, man. I want to do different thing. May have more details. You know, I'm gonna give y'all, but y'all gotta let me know if y'all want that marathon. I'm gonna do 30-day go live for 30 days straight. Cause my birthday's on 30 days, so every day for 30 days for every day I'm gonna go live for like 1 or 2 hours. You see me I say? Until my birthday. You see me I say? And I'm trying to have a guest on. You see me I say? Let me know if you don't want that. You see me? And then I'll come up with some different themes and stuff. You see me I say, gang? But let me know if y'all down with that. You see me I say? Mad. Yeah? But yeah, man, we'll continue with the album reaction. Yeah. So, like I said, Jamal kick it off really good. You see me? That's all eyes on Dunce. You see me I say? Kick it off, mad. Album sound good so far. So if you keep on the momentum, it's gonna be a good album. So I jump in the next track. The one named Transparent. You see me answer? Let's get it, gang. Oh, I go and mute the thing. I want me the pan. Call them ads now. Come in. All eyes on it. Where you said the Transparent, let's get it.
3-9. No one dance man. G-U-D. Excel, life chance be.
So one Dunce man, G-U-D.
Everything when me do now people see it. Check me hand nothing hide under my sleeve. Amount of millions me jagger for the leads. Them say me rich without a job and me no Steve. Amount of things when me accomplish and no read. If you never did believe, now you believe.
If you never did believe, now then believe. Dan Mafia talk to no man.
See button fly the roof and watch it be my top leave. V8 in I coupe and at a top speed. Cash in my pocket and the blicky conceal. Have you reach our feet happy, put a lot in my scheme. Done.
Have you reach our feet happy, put a lot in a day. Come no man. Yeah man, tell them that Mafia, you see me have to reach what fit tap it. Then can't stop it. Come in man.
Press the button, fly the roof and watch it be my top leave. V8 in I coupe and at a top speed. Cash in my pocket and the blicky conceal. Have you reach our feet happy, put a lot in my scheme. Dunce. That a heavy you dream. Dunce and no copycat, you happy can live. I any pussy test lift up a tropical breeze.
Dunce and no copycat, you half you can lead, brother. You see me? Yeah, man, when a pound far out.
Dunce and no copycat, you happy can live. I any pussy test lift up a tropical breeze. Have a cape and a bike that a traffic all week. The whole street full of grain, whole wheat. Shallow grave and a lamb would wheat. Bitch, I
whole street full of grain, whole wheat, brother.
on a bike that a traffic all week. The whole street full of grain, whole wheat. Shallow grave and a lamb would wheat. Bitch, I give me slap it up on the front seat. And I tell me say she love me, but me no funds do it. She say me clean and me can't run it.
Give me slap it up on the front seat. I say she me love me, but me no funds do it. Come on.
Tell me say she love me, but me no funds do it. She say me clean and me can't run it. Purple tees and a half-white jeans. True believer who fit out me no see him. Them say Dunce, but I only for the cloth and the
true believer who fit out me no see him.
White jeans. True believer who fit out me no see him. Them say Dunce, but I only for the cloth and the regime. Fans them a ask her in the portal with the team. Living on my style and we truth them a reveal. Yeah, I from black high class. Them could it test Dunce dog, you better time pass. And a richer man get dog, the more time pass.
This is a vibe, boy. Hey.
Just tell me nah go make it. As I Dunce that motivate me. What you mean? Left me hard and me out for greatness. I know we doing it without the payslip. Push out the spaceship and load the case.
I'm telling you, nah go make it. And that as I Dunce that motivate. Kabino Jamal.
Yeah, that me out for greatness. I know we doing it without the payslip. Push out the spaceship and load the cake quick. 3-9. And a one Dunce man with no replacement. The whole patient. Dunce have to make it in a hall of fame, so I wanna save the pavement.
Hey, Dunce have to make it in a hall of fame. Let's see every pavement.
Holy patient. Dunce have to make it in a hall of fame, so I wanna save the pavement. Any pussy test lift up a tropical breeze. Have a cape and a bike that a traffic all week. The whole street.
Tropical tropical breeze pan them. Hey, that you can't tell no.
Full of grain, whole wheat. Shallow grave and no lawnmower do it. Bitch, I give me slap it up on the front seat. And I tell me say she love me, but me know what funds do it. Dunce, no laughs and 40 words. Purple tees and a half-white jeans. If you never did believe, now you believe. Press the button, fly.
Come in, man. This is a vibe. This album.
The roof, I watch it be my top lead. V8 in a coupe and that I travel top speed. Cash in my pocket and the blicky conceal. Have you reach our feet up, put a lot in ice ski. That a heavy you dream. Don't send no copycat, you happy can read. I ain't put.
Man, this bad man. Yeah, I need it. Hey.
Sit and slip up a tropical breeze. Have a cake on a bike that a traffic all week. The whole street full of grain, whole wheat. Shallow grave and no lawnmower do it. Some it up on the front seat. And I tell me say she love me, but me know what funds do it. So clean and me can't run me. Purple teeth and a half-white jeans. Fully iron.
Mad.
Dunce 3-9. Lifestyle. Everything what me do now, people are see. That. Like Jack Spirit. Special guys.
One Dunce man, Jamal.
You like?
Hey, I ain't gonna lie to you. This album is a vibe so far, gang. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section, man. 30-day, Vado said 30-day marathon. Sure. What you mean, man? I don't feel. Hey, Vado. Hey, Vado, you know say he's a Dan Mafia member, though. Oh, you know that's what I was planning to do, bro. Oh, you know that's what I was planning to. Damn, my G. Hey, it's like you watch your channel too long, brother. You're kind of, you figure me out, dog. I go on. That's exactly what I was planning to do. Keep it a secret, brother. Hey. Yeah, man. 30-day marathon, man, gang. Let me know anything about that, man. You see me? Definitely, I'll get that done for my birthday, bro. You see me? I say, I'll bring guests. And you see me? I say, and do some different things. You see me? I say, not only music, man. Probably play some games and something. You know what I'm saying? Some different stuff. You see what I'm saying? Yeah. Real talk. Let me know, gang. But yeah, man. Jamal really doing this thing on this project. You see me? All eyes on me and transparent so far is a vibe. So far, it's a very easy to listen album for real. You see me? I say, gang. So, Well, let me know things so far in that comment section. Who there, man? Drop a like, drop a comment. So I get in the shout out. Who not deal with? Who not move, sir? Well, go on. The vibe just a start, you know. Yeah, man, gang. Alright, next one we're dealing with right now, we got Jamal. They want to name Time. You see me? I say, let's get it. We're going to keep it pushing because it's a vibe. You see me? I say?
Yeah.
Yo, Sassy didn't believe.
Monster me. You know them can't stop you like we. We are true believer. Never a new believer.
Never a new believer.
Jamal. We never give up, dog. We not stop try. Have to get up, dog. No wait one time. Bang your line, you fuck, dog. Yeah, for this believe, you know.
Ooh, I'm liking this one. Come on.
The GLE I go come, dog. A 9.5 when you see me pull up, dog. The moon top fly one time we did broke, dog.
Ooh, I'm liking this. Come on, talk.
Costa Rica. Golf. To the whole of me dog, them with their night pen. Where you only remind dog with weed and blame until the night end. Run.
Talk to them, one Dunce, man.
And the whole of me fancy me, I do it from then. Do music, I'm a scam, I'm in no sleep from when. I know they see me style, trend. Number.
Ooh, them see me style. Alright, go on.
Yeah. I know me in a me vibe, dog, me dark like night. I'm a spliff of the light, all when me gone pan flight. And to how me drive, the Benz light like bike. From a girl on me type, she have to scream tight. She
Yo, come on, Dunce, man, come in, talk.
pan flight. And to how me drive, the Benz light like bike. From a girl on me type, she have to scream tight. She see what she like, she want squeeze my pipe. She a give me tonight, she say me do it like night. Every day killers outside. Once money in my pocket, I'm fine. We never give up, dog.
Yeah, killers outside. Once money in my pocket, I'm fine. Come in, no man. Talk to them, no man. Come in, no man. You gotta get that.
Every day killers outside. Once money in my pocket, I'm fine. We never give up, dog. We not stop.
Never give up that much. You talk to them, no matter how dark it look, no matter how, you see me, no matter how obstacles we face, we keep going. You see me, that smile on our face. You see me, because we never come in.
That's outside. Once money in my pocket, I'm fine. We never give up, dog. We never stop try. I figure it up, dog. No wait one time. Bang your line, you fuck, dog. Hello.
We give it up, dog. Don't wait one time. Come in now.
The GLE I go come, dog. A 9.5 when you see me pull up, dog. The moon top fly one time with it broke, dog.
Yeah, man, the GLE a come, man. The GLE a come, man. The X6 a come, man. The Lambo, the McLaren. You see me, the coincidence. That mafia fan you want it, you can achieve it. Remember that, yeah.
With it broke, dog. All of me dog, them where you build apartment. Girls are drugs and think they make you start meds. Girl, we set up your life, I watch your blood clot dead. Girls are drugs and think they make.
That's true, that's facts, that's facts. Listen to him on that time. Yeah, you have to be careful, you know. You see me? Yeah, enough people worry about it. The girl man in Jezreel, we gotta worry about the Delilahs out there too. You see me?
All of me dog, them where you build apartment. Girls are drugs and think they make you start meds. Girl, we set up your life, I watch your blood clot dead. Girls are drugs and think they make you start meds.
Yeah, man, girl, we set up your life, man. You see me, I say. Them thing there, you see me? Yeah, man, come in.
Enough of the things we turn enjoyment. That's it, if you kill you or if you left your torment. That's why me run up the figures and not depend on.
Yeah, man. Hold on the gang, hold on the gang. Hold on the gang. Yo. Hold on the gang. I'll be right back, gang. Hold on. How do I turn this thing off? How do I turn this? Yo. Hold on, man. Bad timing. Hold on, yeah. Bad timing. Hold on. Damn it. Alright, gang. Damn. Missing on the stream, man. My bad, gang. Having some technical difficulties. My bad, gang. Sorry about that mystery, man. I messed up, man. You see, man, I said that was bad time and some stuff. But you never was gonna know it was gonna go crazy doing a live stream, man. You see me? I know a lot of people gonna get lost that part, but I just messed up the whole stream. But gang, yeah, man. We live, we back to it. You see me? You see me? I say, let's get it though. Yeah, we back at it. But yeah, man. Even this track is late. Time. You see me? I say, is that going good? But I had to stop. I had some shit I had to handle real quick, man. Damn, I wish I could cut this shit out. But gang, let's continue.
To the whole of me dog, them with their night pen. They will the remind dog, we damn blame until the night end. And the whole of me fancy me, I do it from then. The music and me scam and me no sleep from when. I know they see me style, trend. We never give up, dog, now stop try. Have to give up, dog, no wait one time. Bang your line, you fuck, dog.
Come here, you know.
The GLE I go come, dog, a 9.5. When you see me pull up, dog, the moon top fly. One time with it broke, dog.
Come here, man.
The GLE I go come, dog, a less than 3. Stick to plan A, a girl do plan B. Yeah,
Says stick to plan A, a girl to plan B. Jeez.
I have to know that, man. One Dunce, man. With it broke down. Outside, you know. Fully Dunce.
Dunce. Come on, let's get it. Yeah, man, the album are going, man. Man, I wish I didn't have to add that. I wish I didn't have that technical difficulty, man. Yeah, take that little pause, man. I know a lot of people gonna lose interest when they watch this shit live, cause you see what I'm saying, they're gonna click off. But anyway, gang, we gonna continue. You see me? I do this for y'all. You see me? I say, gang. You see me? We do it for Dan Mafia. Let's get it, man. All that. J Ranks, big up yourself, J Ranks. You see me? I say. But yeah, man, let's get it, gang. Next track on the album, Lucky. You see me? So far, the first 2 tracks very easy to listen to. You see me? I said this album is going pretty smooth, really. How many tracks is on this? 7 tracks. You see me? I say, and we already at track number. Actually, 8 tracks is on this. You see me? I say. So we are halfway through. Pretty easy to listen to, man. You see me? I say. Jamal, I do him thing. Next one, I Lucky. Let's get it.
3-9. She do anything for the money. You know me not have to say 40 words. Cause nothing like good. Don't scare love, feel me gun.
Hold on. Let's appreciate this beat is crazy, dog. Listen to the piano keys and that bass. Come on.
She do anything for the money. You know me not have to say 40 words.
Yes. Now I have to say 40 words. Yeah, man, listen to the bass drop.
Cause nothing like good. Don't scare love, feel me gun. Buy Bangkok, but I no really come. Pum tight and me feel it jump. Don't stop whine till you feel it come. Me love bad girl when she.
You not go act like you just say that a while ago, Jamal. You just ain't go just say that and just run part. We not say a while ago. Why you not say a while ago? You know.
Buy Bangkok, but I no really come. Pum tight and me feel it jump. Don't stop whine till you feel it come. Me love bad girl when she really done. Cocky pull out like chair, make she sit down. Me beat it like.
Yeah, man, come have a seat, man. Rest your feet. Come on, you see me? I said, well, not really, cause I got to work. Come on.
Flavor a Congo jump. Pussy wet up like pipe when the water run. She suck it, she swallow everything from her body. She do anything for the money. She know I say I seen, but she love it.
Come on.
Tight pussy girl, so you lucky. You dolly out, the skin clean. When you skin it out, me push it in. You know a rich badness, me shot a Philippine. Fuck up on a boat, make you live a dream.
Come on.
Don't snow the cloud, what the fuck you mean? Cocky down your throat, up in the scheme. Back us on the couch, ugly up your knees. Fuck you with me gun, I'm
You that rug, burn, I was arguing upon. Come
pull
on.
up your weave. Dance girl love feel me gun. Buy Bangkok but I no really come. Pum tight and me feel it jump. Right. Don't stop whine till you feel it come. Me love bad girl.
Don't stop, come on.
When she really done Pussy wet up like pipe when the water run.
Just
She suck it, she swallow everything from her body. She do anything for the money. She know I say I seen, but
yeah, but me not these niggas be bad. We not doing it. We not. Hey.
she love it. Tight pussy girl, know if you broke it. You make me want fuck you anyway. Cock it up for me. When you say you give me yesterday, not enough for me. You make me want moonwalk every time you polish it. Boom boom.
Moonwalk, mama. I want to your moon. Come here.
My hurt and she still want me damage it. Short back good, you get the money, fuck the promises. She and them a chip, you know me rich, fuck.
I said short back good.
Lavishly, now use no bed, me make you twerk on the balcony. Skirt on the long cocky, me burst like a handmatic.
I could go up on the balcony, mama. For the bed, for the room thing. Come in, outside, we going. Come on, no man.
Girl, love feel me gone. Bite Bangkok, but I no really come. Pum pum tight and me feel it jump. Don't stop wine till you feel it come. Me love bad girl when she really done. Cocky pull out like chair, make she sit down. Me beat it like slave or a Congo drum. Pussy wet up like pipe when the water run. She suck it, she swallow everything from
What a wicked girl. I like her.
my body. She do anything for the money. She know I say I seen, but she love it. Tight pussy girl, know if you broke. Short back good. Tight pussy girl, so you look. Short back good.
Short back good, mama.
Tight pussy girl, know if you
Yo, this man crazy, boy. This album. Jamal, one Dunce man. One Dunce man, master. I wanna say, gang, I wanna feel about the album so far. Wow, go on. J-Rank's album bad. All eyes on it, Dunce. You see me? I say, Vado says a time bad. You see me? Our Vado State saying like time. Yeah, man, time a bad tune too, man. You see me? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Jamal doing his thing, bro. You see me? I say, one Dunce man are doing thing, man. The man going Dunce on this. You see me? I say, man going crazy, bro. Yeah. I jump right in the next track. This one is called Mood. You see me? I say, yeah. Let's see what I got deep on the one day.
yeah.
Hey, teacher, you know me don't know you nothing but me just want to get personal. I just want to fuck your wood and just want to be a silly.
Yeah, how that go on?
Poppy down.
Yeah.
Hey, teacher, you know
I've always got to start this voice note leaking business with girl talk about them all they sitting here, you know. You know what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying? Yeah, voice got to start this. Big up Jamal, though. Come in.
Yeah.
hey, teacher, you know me don't know you nothing but me just want to get personal. I just want to fuck your wood and just want to be a silly.
You know a bad girl we like. You know you're gonna pop it then.
Yeah, man, we love you, body girl, them, man. Love you. Good girls, too. Don't get it.
Me makes you feel good. Class 39 good. Me get her in the mood. Everything smooth. Me make
Come in, no, man. This is for the ladies, man. You see me? I say, but it's not on the girl's place. You see me? I say, come on.
she so good. Make she me like food. Me put it in her room. She nearly dead in her room.
Want to be a silly.
She love to print it like hospital. Me sink it from tear up the linen. The place fuck up when time we finish. Me love the winnings. Me never broke in a 1 minute. She no want the lyrics. She prefer bongs for a rhythm. She love me wicked, but at the back as make she visit. Come out like a
She love wicked, boy. At the back, I'll make you visit.
place fuck up when time we finish. Me love the winnings. Me never broke in a 1 minute. She no want the lyrics. She prefer bongs for a rhythm. She love me wicked, but at the back as make she visit. Come out like a frisbee. Every 6 o'clock she link me. Give me brain in the
Frisbee every hey,
be man, the glass, believe it in thick. Swallow everything, you no drop and it giving. The way you like, the way you feel. You see the bricks them, you know it real. You say you're bad, take it lead. Wine and bounce and don't cut the speed. You
this is a vibe. This is a vibe. The beat go crazy. Isn't it? Got that tropical, got that vibes on this beat.
fix them, you know it real. You say you're bad, take it lead. Wine and bounce and don't cut the speed. You flex right, double D. You got doubts, miss a believe. Take a sip.
Man say you got doubts. Me say, believe, mama, I want to you, man. You say, you better take it in, no, man. You see me, I say, go on, right, and don't cut the speed, no. Maintain, you know, mama, because you're going to see your man when you can. Hey,
Before you leave, me makes you feel good. Class 39 good. Me get her in the mood. Everything smooth. Me makes you so good. Makes you me like food.
like food, mama, I want to you, well balanced that.
Me put it in her room. She nearly dead in her room. She lost the feelings. You left that careless. What make you feel me not take that? Find her friend, her finger, fuck, forget that. None of me ex, me now meds back. From
Come in. No, alright, talk to no, we not made.
she lost the feelings, you left that careless. What make you feel me not take that? Find her friend, her finger, fuck, forget that. None of me ex, me now meds back. From me touch a cologne, she get extra. She hoop on the dunce, now she can't skip an extra. Pull up at the stoplight, her appetite, if you put the whole of me in her neck back.
Peace. Hey, come here.
She cologne, she get extra. She hoop on the dunce, now she can't skip an extra. Pull up at the stoplight, her appetite, if you put the whole of me in her neck back. The way you like, the way you feel, me fully dance. I'm in a real, me nah nah, but me bleed. No tricks, out my sleep, the flex ride, double D.
This bad. Jamal. Mood is crazy.
You got doubts, me say believe. Take a sip before you leave. Me makes you feel good. Class 39 good. Me get her in the mood. Do everything smooth. Me makes you so good. Makes you me like food. Me put it in her room. She nearly dead in her room.
Come here, no.
She love to print it like hospital, me sink it. Tear up the linen, the place fuck up when time we finish. Me love the winnings, me never broke in a 1 minute. She no want the lyrics, she prefer bunks for a rhythm. She love me wicked, but at the back as make she visit. Come back like a frisbee, every 6 o'clock she link me. Give me brain in the big man, the glass me never think thick. Swallow everything, nothing no drop on the giving. The way you like.
This bad. Come in.
The way you feel, you see the bricks them, you know it real. You say you're bad, take it lead. Wine and bounce and don't cut the speed. You flex right, double D. You got doubts, me say believe. Take a sip before you leave.
Come in, no.
Me makes you feel good. Class 39 good. Me get her in the mood. Everything smooth. Me makes you so good. Makes you me like food. Me put it in her room.
She nearly dead in the room.
She nearly dead in her room. You know you're gonna pop it down.
This song right here is a vibe. So vibe. One Dunce man. Hey, this album is easy to listen. It just flows. You see me? I say, yeah, man, overcomplicated. It ain't. You see me? It's just a vibe. It's just you see me? Easy to listen to, play. You see me? And he got some tracks. He got some moments on this. You see me? I say he got some vibes on it. No jokes. You see me? Hold on, let me find that. Add it to the you see what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Yeah, this is what it said. But yeah, man. Mood go crazy. You see me? That's a total vibe. Those whole album so far is a total vibe. You see me? I say, yeah, man, no joke. Jamal impressing me so far. You see what I say? He's impressing me for his first project. This is very, you see me? I say, very easy to listen to. Replay value on this Yeah, I can see where the replay value, but the promotion, I don't know if he did the promoting right. You see me? I say like he promoted it out there because it's a good project. Because I didn't even know he dropped the project. You see me? I say, but yeah, man, it's a good project. Yeah, it's a vibe. But yeah, man, I jump in the next track. The one I name Forever Wealthy. You see me? I say, whatever everyone how we want to be. Hopefully, I think hopefully y'all would well, I would think y'all would want to be, forever wealthy. You see, I'm looking at me, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, gang. Next track is Forever Wealthy. Yeah, check it out. Hopefully, someone from this one that is talking, talking drip, talking money. You see what I'm saying? Yeah. So what's the way that I do? Let's get it again.
Don't think you can change the world. Dunce, man, dunce, don't change the world. All these gyps go change your girl. You know I'm gonna have to 40 words. 3-9 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Forever wealthy, Dunce. None of my pocket them never empty. And none of them carry we no renty. From black eye class I know we trendy. Just a touch of Savage and piece of Fendi. Make you get.
Okay, this man going crazy on this. This is the vibes that we look at. This is the vibe. Come on. Wait, I don't want to talk too soon. Let me take you from top.
Don't think you can change the world.
Yes.
Dunce, man, dunce, don't change the world. All these gyps go change your girl.
I don't think you can change the world there, but all these drips gonna change a girl. Come here.
Have to 40 words. 3-9 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Forever wealthy, Dunce. None of my pocket them never empty. And none of them carry we no renty. From black eye class I know we trendy. Just a touch of Savage and piece of Fendi. Make your girl drop jaws, oh she so friendly. She suck it gently, say me give currency. Me nah have no love, that face they are so plenty. And when me say me done out of the blood clot truth. This I no cap me mom me done from school.
This is what I'm talking You about to go stupid on this, bro. And this me I talk about, man. This is the Jamal. This is the the Jamal. Who's track there? What's the track the name, man? What the track the name, man? This are not the Ballon d'Or. Yes, in the Ballon d'Or. The Wilds. This is the Wait, I don't went stupid on, man. Yeah, this is the flow I was looking for. This is the Jamal when the man spaz. This is him going Dunce right here. Yeah, man. Dog I got Dunce right there, so man. You see me, gang? If you know, you know. If you know, you know, man. Come in, man. We could pull it up, man. Listen to Mr. Dunce now, man. Listen to Mr. Dunce. Open up your ears now, man. You hear?
Suck it gently, say me give currency. Me nah have no love, that face they are so plenty. And when me say me done out of the blood clot truth. This I no cap me mom me done from school. From me little and I grew me no run for a fool. Designer every day me in a Dunce and rude. And a 32 clip figure hunt one fool. True believer really.
Man say me in a Dunce and rude. You don't get it, well. Man in a Dunce and rude the brand, the clothes, you get it.
Me in a Dunce and rude and a 32 clip figure hunt one fool. True believer religion like monks and Jews. Mount of money where we make and in no compound.
Man say true religion like a monks and Jews, but
rude and a 32 clip figure hunt one fool. True believer religion like monks and Jews. Mount of money where we make and in no compound use. Living at the chopper with no junk off booze. What's them girl I need cash them say love now. Don't think you can change the world. Don't change it, don't change.
Yo, when they get on the cash and they say love not
Change it. All these bricks, no pay slips. The blue notes, that's my favorite. Dunce man, Dunce don't hate it. No change it. We take risks, we made it.
Come on, no, man.
You know that, man. Yeah. We never give up, we continue work. So me lace up my shoes and put on my shirt. You know see the Dunce, them a run off the turf. You know see we rich, we a fuck off your girl. Have a Glock with the chip when you press off your burp. Full of dark angel when you take off your curse. You know see poverty dead. Somebody call it blood clot earth. Somebody call it blood clot earth. Thank God we made it. Me and my dog, them in a spaceship. In a bust down jewelry daily. So tell a cap I said nothing don't phase. You want rich like Jay-Z, life sweet like pastry. One stone like Macy's or
Come in now, man. Come in now, man.
Captain Bakery. To me girl life changes, soldier like Navy. Million pa me ears ring, million pa me steering. In a me saving. Don't think you can change the world. Dunce man, Dunce don't change the world.
Man, going crazy, Jamal.
All these just go
Forever
change the girl.
wealthy. Forever wealthy. This gotta go on the playlist, gang. I want to tell you, man, this gotta go on the... Hey, come on.
Dance. Don't think you can.
He spazzed on this one, man. This man, I can't spit on the track, yeah. You see me? I say, yeah, man. Stacks, prof. Big up yourself. Yeah, blacks react to global bomber. It tough, bro. Yeah, man. Young, big up yourself. You see me? I say, J-Ranks, David Matthews, Vado States. Hey, let's live on Mars. Big up your damn self. Everybody, David Matthews, big up yourself, man. Everybody in the chat. Y'all the realest. Let's get it. Man, spazzed on Forever Wealthy, man.
No.
And that beat go crazy too, boy.
You can, I can, nobody can. Nobody can. Don't think you can.
Come on, this beat go crazy, gang. Jamal, you spaz on this, gang. Yeah, man, mad. Come on. Yeah, they went crazy. That's what crazy. Come on. Yeah, man. Forever Wealthy. Definitely gotta get it added to the playlist, gang. Forever Wealthy. You have to go to the playlist, man. On to them. Come, you know. Yeah, man. Next one, they want to name Bad Man. Hey, come, you know.
Like them not understand. Making money fast like me. Check it definition. Free. Real. Star life for the car, them not Google. Me girl them. Them
Come on. Whoa. Come on.
Free. Real. Star life for the car, them not Google. Me girl them. Them a bad bitch. Them rich. Them got poodle. Oh, me take away boy girl like a
So yeah, we got my bad bitch and think I poodle. Got my poodle, you know, my bad bitch. The rich, I want to you. Easy.
Car them not Google. Me girl them a bad bitch. Them rich, them got poodle. Oh, me take away boy girl like a voodoo. What do you know? Strap life will live fi Pantulu. She love badness, she love bad man. She said me got bricks like London. She want Gucci, Louis V sandals. Make it happen fast like me a Green Lantern.
Come here.
He plays nice, but me never let he pam pam. One big gun, Bantam San. For this dunce man, that a wrong bang. Bleachers, full up your gate like a grandstand. If you know.
Like a grandstand, bro. So enough people that, you know?
A rich badness, check me jewelry. I'm a dunce, so I lean and see me get from the jewelry. From a young, a millions with choppers spend a beauty. Dunce living mad, set a life and a no movie. When me gun, fast car and bad bitch we bougie. Dunce, rich like Tanto Blacks, excuse me. Me chop, but on a sushi.
Rich like Tanto Blacks, excuse me. Tanamane.
White from Missouri, clip full of can, like a soapy. And I'm a girl them, and a groupie. She love badness.
I should have said, that's rich.
She love bad man. She said me got bricks, like London. She want Gucci, Louis V sandals. Make it happen fast like me a Green Lantern. He plays nice, but me never let he pam pam.
Never left he pam man, like a cheerleader, eh?
One big gun, Bantam San. For this dunce man, that a wrong bang. Bleachers, full up your gate like a grandstand.
This dunce man, that's wrong. Wrong bang, man.
Rich and bad, me never fumble it back. Dunce and mad, me wrist a cup of me lad. Me a tell you me God, sweepstakes on me job. Me love the Louis Vuitton, the price step on the tag.
Come in, you know.
Couple million me job. How would it say me retired? I know we live in so large, me could do without fraud. Look on the jewelry me crack. When me cup on the mall, and when me say magics, I never wizard. You love badness, she love bad man. She say we got bricks like London. She want Gucci, Louis V sandals. She don't want to worry, trying Bridget's again. Come on, blood clot, you to know. All this one.
Coupon youth, we don't want to worry about Charm Bridget's, eh? Coupon youth, you're not no man, eh? Yeah, man, one Dunce man, the one the name Bad Man. Hey, this album very easy. We at the last track, gang. This is one called All the Time. You see me, I say? Gang, let's get it. Come on.
You know, when I was the 40 words got to tonight. Make a dumpy last week, but I never the first. 3-9. Cause all the time them try, and all the time them die. Watch your pussy, them a look, trying to fuck up your goodly end up.
Oh, this sound like it's gonna be nasty, gang. Talk to me.
In a book too, all the time them try, and all the time them die. You know, when I have is a 40 words got to tonight, good one I timed up. Tell a pussy give up, 7 days a week we up. You're not gonna live to see the family broke.
Never. Come on.
Hustling in a me jeans so the family walk. Yes. And if you make it up, you lift up. Pull up on the men's in a ugly shot. The chip black away, fire, everything I rip up. Them no want the youth, them feel have enough.
Come on, Jamal, come on. That feel like there's something in this you can't give me. Come on.
Blessing I feel full up, it all the time them try, and all the time them die. Watch your pussy, them a look, trying to fuck up your goodly, end up in a book too. All the time.
Probably end up in a book. You're going up as a statistic.
Them try, and all the time them die. Rich badness I want me used to. Laptop on the grill and couple big chopper cook too. Me wall me wanna stay in a million and
yeah man, stay in a million.
Do this for no clout, need a hype nor fame. Me want me mother fi proud of me and she can't shame. And when things get hard, me beg Jah fall rain.
Yeah man, when everything you thought you don't know, you turn to the Father, man. I have turned him in good times to come in talk to me.
Now a millions me have a sale. In a Benz, me no in no jail. Me pre-dark, me no go where me no safe. Me don't pay for learn, so me no make no mistake. Them say me antisocial, but me no socialize. Me only make them hear me vocals. And when me portal, the
don't pay for learn, you know. So me nah make no mistake.
It's full up of done supporters. I'm think of voters. I show them see me on the posters. The thing no local, 39, the thing them global. Go check me EP. All know me no check me total. Remember say girls are jugs, hardware before gal. The love, the story done that are the moral. Cause all the time them try.
Girls are drugs, hardware before gal.
Me total. Remember say girls are jugs, hardware before gal. The love, the story done that are the moral. Cause all the time them try. When me portal, the place.
Yeah, way man say no man. Check me EP, I know me check out the total, you know. Remember girls are drugs, you know. Hardware before gal, you know. Below, see now before you go.
Hear me vocals, and when me portal, the place full up of done supporters. I'm think of voters, I show them see me on the posters. The thing no local, 39, the thing them global. Go check me EP, all know me no check me total. Remember say girls are jugs, hardware before gal. The love, the story.
Below, yo, build up on yourself, yo. All I use I'm listening before you pray now, yeah, man, no woman, build up yourself. You see me, I say get some things, gather yourself, get your finances in order. Get a nice good, get a nice course, get a nice good job, get a nice good resume. Say start out yourself before praying and them things them on. No matter how long it take, you don't watch people.
Cause
do your thing right, you see me?
All the time them try, and all the time them die. Watch your pussy, them a look, trying to fuck up your goodly, end up in a
good book too, come in.
Book too, all the time them try, and all the time them die.
Yeah man, gang, come in.
Rich badness I want me used to. Laptop on the grill and couple of big. Tell a pussy give up. 7 days a week we up. You're not gonna live to see the family broke. Hustling in a me jeans so the family walk. And if you make it up, you lift up. Pull up on the men's in a ugly shot.
Yeah man, if you make it up, you lift up, man.
The chip black away, fire, everything I rip up. Them no want the youth, them feel have enough. Blessing I feel full up, it all the time them.
You know want the youths them have enough. Blessing have to fill up your cup, man. I want to them, man. They can't stop it.
Men's in a ugly shop, the chip like a wire fire, everything I rip up. Them no want the youth, them fi have enough. Blessing have to full up it all the time them try, and all the time them die. Watch your pussy them a look, try to fuck up your goodly, end up in a book too. All the time them try, and all the
This song nastier than I thought it was, bro. Yo, y'all hearing this?
time them die. Rich badness I want me used to. Laptop on the grill and couple big chopper cook too.
They said, yo, this bad man.
You know now if it's a 40 red scar 39 good. True believer, not a new believer.
True believer, not a new believer. What you mean, man? Yo, you kill that Jamal, bro. All the time them try, and all the time them die. Book. Better what you end up in a book too. It's only a statistic, boy. Me be yourself, you know. No, yeah, do. You see me and say, yeah, man. Jamal rated D for Dunce. Yeah, honestly, really good project. Really easy to listen to. All this chat them just flow into one another. Just keep going. You see me and say, you see me, I really like it. You see me and say, and if I listen to it, the album too without me, you see me reacting to, because this is my first listen to. I'm going to also go listen to it right now. You see me, Robert, I'm going to listen to it right now, uninterrupted, just straight play through all that stuff, man. Yeah. And I'll be having the same reaction in my head when I listen to a song. I'm like, yo, that's like, pull up song like, yeah. But yeah, I'm going to listen to it right now. Let me get my headphones charged up right now, gang. But yeah, man. Yeah, Jamal did his thing on this project. Really flow really nicely. Easy to listen to. All 8 tracks. You see me and say it took us an hour to get to all those 8 tracks. But you see me and say with me talking all that stuff. But it flows and it's nice, man. You see me and say big up Jamal. Did his thing on this one, gang. And shout out to y'all, man, for joining me for the live, yo. You see me and say big up on yourself. You know, we continue with the album reactions, man. Y'all request the album. We're going to start doing more often. The only thing though with the album reactions though, when I do live, bro, if I'm gonna leave it up, I don't want to run the live too long. I usually just as soon as it get off so people can watch it over. And if it go too long, people ain't gonna watch a 2-hour, 3-hour album reactions. You know what I'm saying? Most person gonna watch a 45 minutes to an hour. So yeah, so that's the thing though. I would go longer, but let's leave on say, is this the Jamal that y'all was saying Mafia sound like? I can kinda hear it if the raspiness is his voice. Listen to Smoke by Baron. Think the producer went so hard on the track. Yeah, man. Yeah, that's a Jamal thing they were saying that Mafia sound like for sure. Yeah. And shout out to Mafia. Mafia is a good he's a dope ass artist as well. Listen to him and say, yo, listen to Byron. But yeah, this live was just for this album reaction. When we go to live long, people are not gonna watch through this live. So let me know if y'all want me to go live. Like in this live and go live again, and I'll do regular reactions to new songs that drop, because I do need to get caught up with some songs that I'm gonna record it. Or if y'all want me to just go live later on and just kick it with y'all, I would go live again, kick it with y'all, talk about some stuff, react to some videos like non-music wise. As me I say, would y'all interested to see if me go live, like have marathons and see like Kai's and you go on, he play games and all them shits there. But I'm still do music reaction, but on live. What y'all want to see from me on live, bro? Talk to me. If y'all just want to see music reactions on live, y'all want to see me, because I can do some other stuff, you know. Get games, talk about stuff. You see me I say, because there's watch videos, like interviews. You see me I say, there's stuff there. Or maybe I should just do it and say, whoever giant. You see me I say? Let me know. I want the feedback, man. Chat, talk to me. Matter of fact, I'm gonna end the live right here. You see me I say, and then come live later on. I'm just do a pop-up live, man. You see me, and y'all getting here. Whatever I'm doing. If y'all wanna rock with your boy, y'all rock with your boy. You see me I say? Yeah. That's what I'm gonna start doing right now. But yeah, man, gang. This one here. Shout out to Jamal, Ready D for Dance. Really dope project. What I say, want to see me on the street, I raise up ladies. What? Y'all want to see that type of content? Y'all don't want to see that type of content. Y'all lying. Hey, let me know what type of content y'all want to see from me, gang, and I'll get that shit done. You know what I'm saying? If y'all want to see me out, y'all want to see me do stuff live on stream, cause you know, like on stream. I get all type of stuff going on stream, bro. No cap. They got cook on stream, I'm motherfucking. You know what I'm saying? I do all type of shit. Get girls on stream, play games on stream. Y'all want to see me play games on streams? Y'all want to see me react to like pop the balloon? What? You see what I'm saying? Whatever relevant. Y'all know what's going on in the culture, music, interviews. You see me, let's be honest on them things, they fix on them things. If y'all want to see me listen, react to artists, interviews, all that good stuff, man, let me know. But anyway, it's 11:10 right now. I'm in the stream right now. We've been live for like for a little minute, for an hour and what? Live for an hour and 10 minutes. I'm in it right here, so people can check out the album reaction more seamlessly. Even though I had that part where I had to go ghost for a little bit. You see what I'm saying? Oh, let's even want to make it random, surprise us. Y'all like that's that? What? Okay. All right. So y'all just, I thought y'all just want reactions. So y'all want different type of content, huh? Y'all want different type of. I can make that happen, man. I'll go live and do some crazy stuff. I can do like themed lives. You see what I mean? Like, yo, hey, this way I do this. I can do them stuff like that. You see what I'm saying? But I got y'all, man. But yeah, don't get it wrong though. The music reaction gonna still be dropping. Don't get it twisted now. But I'm talking about when I'm live and stuff. You see what I'm saying? Do some dope shit live. Yeah, man. I'll get our artists on the stream. You see me, get some artists on the stream. You see me talk, all type of stuff. Man, I got some stuff going, man. Let's say less. You see me? But yeah. Let me know if you want to see me on stream. I'm thinking about doing a marathon for my birthday, man. I might have different guests and stuff on there. You see me? I'm saying it's gonna be lit. It's gonna be lit. No joke. I got some stuff planned, man. For real. for real. I got some stuff planned. All right. But yeah, I'm in the stream right here. I'm gonna pop back up. Well, I would say I'm gonna go live again, but it's 11, 12, so I'm not sure. But look out for pop-up streams, man. Y'all need to start looking out for pop-up streams. I'm gonna start going live random times, doing random shit. So y'all gotta look out for that. You see what I'm saying? Real talk. About to get the stream popping. You see what I'm saying, gang? But let me know. I'm out. Yeah, mad reaction, gang. You don't know. Good rocking show. Till next time, take care of yourself. You don't know, it's your boy Jambisco. You know, mad reaction. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.